Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this floppy ghost cube. Floppy ghost cube is ghosted version of 1 by 3 by 3 floppy cube. So in this you must be aware that we can shift the shape of the cube, but in this case it is difficult because it doesn't allow us to move like this, and it normally fixes here. So it's better not to do it, otherwise it may get popped up. So first let us scramble it. Now it is scrambled properly. So first step is to bring this into its original shape. So simply what we have to do is we have to just try and see where we can fix it. So it is very intuitive, so you can try different option and you can fix it. So now it is into its correct shape, and now we have to fix the pieces. So these are edge pieces and these are corner pieces and this is center piece. So we have to first try and see which all corners will fix in which position. So it is very intuitive. So first, if we look at, this is a triangle piece which can fix here or here. So we'll try this piece from this angle because this is a bigger side and this is also bigger side. So we'll try to fix it. So you can see it is fixed. So now we have to move it to the other side like this. So now we can see it matches with this edge piece also, and it is properly fixed. Okay, this piece is also belong to this side, this piece, but it is flipped. So what we have to do is we'll have to bring this out of the way, and first we need to fix it from this side. So we'll have to take this from this side and we'll have to fix it. So we'll bring it here and then this side like this, and now we'll move this piece like this and we'll try to fix it. Okay, so now we can see it is properly fixed. So now what we can do is we'll have to bring this back, but once we bring this back, this is fixed, but this edge piece is now flipped. So what we can do is we can bring this piece out of the way like this, and now we can move it, and now we can fix with this edge piece and bring this back. So now we can see we have two corner pieces which are fixed with the edge pieces. Now we are left with three corner pieces. So first we can try with this you can see it is getting fixed with this edge piece, but it doesn't fix with this edge piece, so it should be flipped. So what we can do is we can bring this out of the way like this, and now we'll turn this 180 degree and now bring this back, and now we'll try to fix it. So now we can see this is also fixed properly. Okay, so now we are left with two edge pieces, two corner pieces. Okay, so now we'll have to try from this angle because it doesn't fit from this side. So we'll have to either bring this on the other side, or we'll have to bring this from this side. So what we'll do is we'll have to bring this corner piece over here. So we'll move this corner piece from this side, and now we'll see whether we can fix it properly or not. Okay, so now you can see we have three pieces which we need to fix it. So this edge piece, this edge piece is flipped. So what we can do is we'll have to take this out of the way, then we'll have to bring this here. Now we'll have to fix it with this. Now we can turn 180 degree and fix this piece with this. So now we can say this is fixed and this is also fixed, and now we can bring this back. So our floppy ghost cube is solved. So this is very simple but very tricky floppy ghost cube. So thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can message me.